I could get a glove check from both of you, that'd be great.
Thank you. Left glove looks exactly the same. Right glove looks exactly the same.
Hey, Sonny, while we're waiting and moving the arm over to MBS4, what we'd like you to have you do is basically do a WVS check of the box as it is. Like get a limit touching the box or the long duration tie down tether, and just try to get a feel for the condition that it's in while Joe and Aki are owning the comp.
Absolutely. By the way, it's really nice to have MBS4 here as a standard. You could definitely see, it's about 2.5 inches above. It's right at the top of the fin.
We planned it that way, Tony.
Yeah, thank you. Like having the right arm and the left arm. Yeah. Hey, Jack. I have a green hook on 3490 and moving port side of MBSU4 for the arm.
Sounds good. And there are some GPS antennas to the port of that box, so watch out for those. Take a look at your gloves. I'll assume no report is good gloves. And Joe, you have the comm for moving the arm.
And good position, Joe.
I see that Akihido looking on starboard, and that shows Sunny's clear.
Clear. Good motion, starboard.